Friends, this is my first video on YouTube and I will provide you all the topics related to first grade in detail. I will give you my best and you can ask me over any doubt and questions by commenting. And friends, please give me full support by subscribing, sharing and commenting so that I can provide you more good videos related to first grade. Now friends, we will discuss the syllabus of competitive examination for the post of lecturer, school education, biology, paper second. In this syllabus carry four parts, in which the first part is of senior secondary level, and the second part is of graduation level, the third part is of post-graduation level, and the fourth part is of pedagogy, teaching, learning material, use of computers, and information technology in teaching, learning. And now we will discuss the part first, which is of senior secondary level. And the first unit which is included in this part is biology in ancient India, in which we study about contribution of various Indian scientists. And the second unit is taxonomy, in which 4 points are included. The first one is biological system of classification and branches of taxonomy, concept of a species and taxonomical hierarchy, bionomial nomenclature. Third point is taxonomic keys, flora, monograph, and herbarium. Fourth point is classification of living organism, 5 kingdom system, and the 3 domain system. And the third unit is structural organization in animal and plant, in which 3 points are included. The first point is animal tissue, types, origin, location, structure, and function. The second point is plant tissue, types, functions, anatomy of monocot and dicot, root, stem, and leaves. The third point is the structural organization of higher plants, modification of root, stem, and leaves, types of fruits. And the fourth unit is plant physiology, in which some points are included. The first point is plant-water relations, phloem, transport and ascent of cell, photosynthesis, respiration and photorespiration, mineral nutrition, plant movement, nitrogen and lipid metabolism, growth and development. And the fifth unit is animal physiology, in which some points are included. The first point is digestion and absorption, second point is breathing and respiration, third point is body fluid and circulation, fourth point is excretive product and their elimination, fifth point is locomotion and movement, sixth point is neural control and coordination, and the next point is chemical coordination and regulation, and the last point is reproduction. And now we discuss unit 6, genetics, in which 3 points are included. The first point is Mendelian inheritance and its exceptions, gene interactions. Second point is sex determination in plants and human beings. Third point is linkage and crossing over. And the next unit is biology in human welfare, which carry 4 points. The first point is economic importance of protozoan, helminthids, insects, molluscs, and the second point is plant utilization, cereals and millets, fiber yielding plants, vegetables, oils, spices, and medicinal plants, with special reference to the state of Rajasthan. And the third point is microbes in human welfare, and the fourth point is basic concept of immunology, vaccines, pathogens, parasites. Now we will discuss unit number 8, which is ecology, in which ecosystem structure and functions, energy flow, energy, ecological pyramids, productivity, decomposition, ecological adaptation, succession, population, and community ecology are included. Now we will discuss part second of graduation level, in which the first unit is cell structure and functions, which carry 5 points, in which the first point is concept of cell theory, structure of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, plant and animal cell. The second point is structure, properties, and function of cell envelope, cell membrane, and cell wall. The third point is cell organelles, structure and functions. The fourth point is chemical constituents of living cell, biomolecular structure and functions of protein, carbohydrate, lipids, nucleic acid, and enzymes. And the fifth point is cell division and cell cycle, apoptosis, programmed cell death. And the second unit is taxonomy, which carry 4 points, in which the first point is level of organization, symmetry, coelom, and metabolism in animal, silent features, and classification of non-coders and coders up to classes with examples. The third point is silent features and classification of plant major groups up to classes. And the fourth point is semi-technical description of a flower, floral formula, and floral diagram. The third unit is structural reproduction and life cycle of amoeba, Belia, Ascaris, Feridima, Periplaneta, Rana, and rabbit. And the fourth unit is structural reproduction and life cycle of the following, in which algae, fungi, bryophyte, pteridophyte, and gymnosperms are included. And the fifth unit is developmental biology, in which gametogenesis, spermatogenesis, oogenesis, fertilization, cleavage, blastula, gastrula, morphogenetic movement, fat maps, embryonic induction, metamorphosis, and frog regeneration, extra embryonic membrane in placenta in mammals, endocrine control of ovulation, pregnancy, pasteurization, and lactation are included. And the sixth unit is reproduction in higher plants, in which 3 points are included. The first one is vegetative propagation in plants. Second point is structure and function of flower in reference to sexual reproduction. And the third point is macrosporogenesis, megasporogenesis, male and female gametophyte, pollination, fertilization, embryogenesis, and sperm formation, seed apomixis, and polyembryony. The seventh unit is ethology, in which types of animal behavior, feeding, learning, social behavior in honeybee, termite, monkey, and lions, parental care in animals, amphibians, species, and primates. And the eighth unit is biostatics and bioinformatics, in which 3 points are included. The first point is mean, mode, median, standard deviation, basic knowledge of bioinformatic web portals, basic knowledge of biological and sequence database. And now, friends, we have come to part third, which is of postgraduate level, in which the first unit is environmental biology, which carry 2 points. The first point is environmental issue, pollination, greenhouse gases, global warming, ozone depletion, deforestation, soil degradation. And the second point is bioremediation, waste, water treatment, solid waste management, disposal of biomedical waste. The second unit is biotechnology and its application, in which 4 points are included. The first one is microbial culture, nutrition requirement, and culture media sterilization method and pure culture technique. The second point is RDNA technology. The third point is application of RDNA technology, alternative fingerprinting technology. The third point is application of RDNA technology, alternative fingerprinting, organic organism, gene therapy, therapeutic agent, molecules, monoclonal antibodies, insulin growth and hormones. And the fourth point is tissue culture and its application, plants and animals. The third unit is molecular biology, in which 3 points are included. The first point is central dogma of molecular biology, chromosome structure and organization, gene regulation in eukaryotes and prokaryotes. And the fourth point is tools and techniques, in which some points are included, which are as follows: microscopy, light and electron microscopy, centrifugation, electrophoresis, ELISA, chromatography, spectrography, in situ localization, technique, fish and gas DNA sequencing. And the fifth unit is biogeography and wildlife conservation, in which these following points are discussed, which are as major terrestrial biomes, biogeographical zones of India, endemic hotspot, plant distribution with special reference to Rajasthan, wildlife conservation management strategies, concept of protected area, biosphere reserves of India, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, wetlands, and scared groves with special reference to Rajasthan. Now we have come to part fourth, in which the first unit is pedagogy and teaching learning material, instructional strategies for adolescents learners, in which 2 points are included. The first point is communication skills and use of various verbal and non-verbal classroom communication strategies. The second point is teaching model, advantage, organizers and inquiry training, information processing, group investigation, social interaction, non-directive model, personal development, preparation and use of teaching learning material during teaching. And the fourth and last point is cooperative learning, and the second unit is included in this part is use of computers and information technology in teaching learning, in which 3 points are included. The first point is concept of ICT and digital learning, second point is e-learning and virtual classroom, third point is technology integration in teaching learning and assessment. Thank you.